what you gonna do with the restlessness inside your worried mind? How you think you ever gonna get ahead when you feel so far behind? Step inside this endless moment for a subtle touch of grace. I've always found my strength inside the act of faith. I believe in the spirit of rock and roll, in the eternal strength of the immortal soul. 'Cause sometimes everybody's gotta let it go. I believe in the power of love. I believe in the sound of Sam and Dave. That little children should occasionally misbehave. That all that you get is all that you gave. I believe in the power of love. Little boy staring out a windowsill to a world that doesn't care. Everybody around is so much bigger, they don't even know he's there. That one day he's gonna grow to be a man, and maybe then they'll see that he'll provide the hope and care for the family. I believe in the chance of love at first sight, that your life doesn't always have to be a fight, and if you do it at all, you ought to do it right. I believe in the power of love. I believe that sometimes you gotta take a stand. Let you hold my heart when you're holding my hand, 'cause everything eventually is in God's hands. I believe in the power of love. I have got to take the best of me and keep that heart alive. Why'd I ever wanna shut that down and kill my soul? I believe that sometimes you gotta take a chance, that you can't live your life just listening to cants, 'cause the thrill of the fall's part of the thrill of the dance. I believe in the power of love. I believe that we're never really all alone, 'cause there's so much more than anything we've known. New Orleans is always gonna be my home. I believe in the power